Today in this video I will show how I made a customized Soviet sniper team and how they were painted. Starting with the sniper, I used a crouched submachine gunner. First, by removing his weapon and cap. Then removed the left arm to reposition it and glue it back on. Next, I then glued on the rifle. Followed by the scope and rifle scrim, made from plastic tag string and clear tape. The field cap was made from paper, then hardened with super glue, the same for the rain cape. This next figure will be holding up a propped up decoy. The body was made from crumpled up and rolled up paper. The arms were made from rolled up paper and the belt was made from paper card. The head was made from crumpled up paper as well. The helmet was made from a super glue casted mold and the scarf was made from paper card. I then glued on the helmet, and the stick holding up the decoy is also made from rolled up paper and hardened with super glue. The rifle was also made from paper card, then hardened with super glue. Once finished, I then glued it onto another crouched figure. For painting, I start with a black primer, then start with painting the flesh using Salmon Rose. For the uniform, I use Heavy Khaki. The belt was painted using leather brown, and for the buckle, I used brass. The boots were painted using black, and for the star, I used flat red. The helmet was painted using Luftwaffe Camo green, and white and light gray for the winter hat. For the rain cape, I used Russian uniform World War II, then washed it using a dark tone ink wash. The rifle wood was painted using orange brown. The barrel and scope were painted using Gunmetal Grey. And the rifle scrim was painted using Pastel Green. The scope lens was painted using pale blue. And for a flesh tone, I used a diluted orange brown. That's all for this video. I hope you all like this one.